This is our new HTC One M9. I'm going to show you some new software features we have. To start off with Sense Home. This is a new widget. It's on the home screen, and it's a really nice widget because it automatically recognizes where you are based on your location. And based on the location, it will rearrange the apps you're using, so you can switch from home. You see the applications are changing to out. So there's a range of 100 square meters. So if you leave your house, it automatically changes to out. And at work, there's also a preset. So at work, you probably use your mail a lot, your agenda a lot, and it will rearrange it automatically. You can tweak it by just deleting applications, and you can add applications to the Home Sense widget as well. For the rest, we're having Teams, HTC Teams. There are some pre-installed themes. And the nice thing about Teams is that it customizes the whole phone for you. So it does the menu, we can apply one, but also the fonts and the icons, but it goes as far as even the clock and the buttons underneath. The nice thing about Teams is you can make your own team. If you make a photo, for instance, I'll make a photo. Camera. You just take the photo, switch back to Teams, done. And it analyzes the photos, and based on the colors from the photo, it will create a known team. And there are even more to select from. And you can change the one you like most. Click next. And then it applies the theme into the whole phone. The nice thing is you can even customize it further. So at first we are going to check the themes. You see the background. And then you can see the icons, and also the fonts are changed. If you go to Teams again, you can even go to fonts if you want a different letter style. There's a whole database, you can download any, and from here you can apply it on. I'm just doing a small demo. Apply. So when you're back in the menu, you'll see that the letters are all different. Furthermore, you have the icons on the bottom of the screen. You can adjust them as well. Go to personalize, change navigation button, and here you can add an extra one, for instance turn off screen. You can change the order by just long press it, switch it, press done, and here you see we have 4 buttons, and there's one to switch it off. So furthermore, we have added Dolby Digital in the speakers, stereo front speakers with 5.1. So the sound is even better than the M8. It really feels, looks like you're in a cinema. The sound is really coming towards you, and also the camera is improved. So we put the ultra-pixel camera from the M8. We put it on the front side of the M9. So when you're trying to make selfies, you will see that you catch much more light because of the ultra-pixel camera to create the perfect selfie in a low light condition. If we switch back to the other side, there's a 20 megapixel camera on the back side, and also we use the sapphire glass for protection. It's even better against scratches and dust and everything. And for the rest, in the camera software, we added some new tools. Go to gallery. For instance, we have the double exposure feature. It's a really nice feature. Just select a photo, go to FX editor, to effects, click on double exposure, select a different photo, for instance one with cherry blossoms. You enlarge it on top of the silhouette, and click on process, yeah, to create a nice effect. So that's more about software. For the rest, if we look at the hardware, yeah, the housing is looking much more luxurious and premium than the M8 because of the dual tonnage finish. There's gold on the side. This is the gold on silver version, and also yeah, the button, the on-off button, is on the side to even handle it better. And furthermore, the screen is 5-inch. The bezels are smaller than on the previous version. To make better use of the screen. And for the rest, the specs are improved as well. We got the new Snapdragon 810. It's an octa-core, so it's 4 times 2 gigahertz and 4 times 1.5 gigahertz. Also 64 bits for the best optimization for Android 5.0. Furthermore, 32 gigabytes expandable with a micro SD card and 3 gigs of RAM. And an improved battery if you compare it to the M8, so it's 2,840 milliamps. So the battery is lasting really long. So basically that's the main key features of the HTC One M9.